Have you ever realized that the moment you power on your laptop, either you are running on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 7, or even you are operating Linux, there are certain programs that normally start running immediately. Or you happen to power on your laptop and realize that as you continue using your laptop, the moment you power it on, it takes quite some time to stabilize until so that you can be able to use it without the laptop tending to hang. So what normally happen? Welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to stop those programs that normally run from the background, those programs that try to drag your laptop to make it through, especially the moment you just start it up. Or anytime you try to power on your laptop, you realize that there are certain programs that are already running, yet you have not even opened any single program. How can you be able to turn those programs off? That is our today's video. And how do you go about it? So all you need to do is just visit the task manager. I'm doing it on Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, you just need to do the same. Just go to the search button and search for the task manager. The navigation is a bit different, but the moment you just go to the search button, it will automatically take you direct to the task manager. Then when you go to the task manager, we need to create the startup. We need to see the programs that normally start up when we power on our laptop. And how do you go about it? You can just see these programs here. We have, for example, the Adobe Update Utility. It is normally starts immediately. You can see the startup impact is low. And so that you can see, for example, the startup time for my PC is 15.8 seconds. You can actually reduce this time, and even this laptop can even start up and stabilize within 5 seconds. So all you need to do is just disable the programs that are taking much of your time when your PC is starting. So we need to disable this program. You just need to right click and click disable. Then we have Brave software update enabled, and the impact is medium. We can also disable this one. We also have like this one, we have like Google Chrome. So that is Google Chrome. We also need to disable this one. You can see it is taking quite some a lot of space. We have like Microsoft OneDrive. I really don't use Microsoft OneDrive, so I can just disable. I also have this one does not have any impact, no impact. We have Lutex Audio Manager. I cannot disable this one because it will destabilize my laptop. So anything associated with Microsoft, you can just leave it. We have Surfshark. We have this with VPN. The startup time impact is very high, so I just need to disable it. This one does not have any effects, not mentioned. Then we have Windows Security Notification. That one we can just leave it. Then we have already disabled all the programs that actually take a lot of space, and you can see they are all disabled. And if right now what I have done now, if I happen to restart my laptop, actually this startup time will actually reduce. So immediately if I happen to power off my laptop and power it on, it will take just a few minutes to stabilize. Not a few minutes, but a few seconds. Like at the moment it is 15.8 seconds, so it can reduce down to 10 or something even less than 10 to stabilize, and that is quite really good sometime. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe to the Seniors channel so that we can keep you updated on the best ways you can be able to optimize your PC. That's all we had for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.